Good morning, students. Welcome to Standard 5 English class. Children, before we start doing comprehension and vocabulary bits, let's listen to the summary of Unit 4, a big surprise. Summary, listen to the summary, children. Lalita, a 10-year-old girl, sowed some tomato seeds in the kitchen garden, and they grew into little plants after a few days. She looked after the plants very well. She planted flower plants also, and they grew and blossomed within the short period of time. Of all the tomato plants she had planted, only one plant grew well. The tiny green tomatoes began to appear. Lalita and her sister Kavita watered the plants daily. A very large, beautiful tomato grew in the plant. Kavita advised Lalita to exhibit that large tomato in the district exhibition. She told Lalita that her tomato would get the first prize and she would be given a blue ribbon by the judges. They wanted to surprise their parents and brother, and they decided to pick the tomato after their parents and brother had gone to the exhibition. After they had left, Lalita and Kavita went to the garden to pick the tomato, but they were shocked to find that it was missing. Lalita was was weeping all the way to the exhibition grounds. When they entered the hall where the pets and vegetables were displayed, they were surprised to find their large tomato there. Prizes were awarded later. Children, the judges announced the first prize for the big beautiful tomato raised by Miss Lalita, aged 10. Lalita received her blue ribbon. Then her father told her that he had brought the tomato to surprise her. Lalita named her tomato the Big Surprise. Next, glossary. Children, as you know, a list of words with meanings called as glossary. Here are a few words with their meanings on the screen. Children, listen and repeat after me. First one, grow. Children, grow is a verb. And the meaning of the word grow is increase in size or amount. Grow, increase in size or amount. Second one, weed. It is a noun, children. The meaning is a plant which disturbs the growth of cultivated plants. Weed, a plant which disturbs the growth of cultivated plants. Third one, insect. It is a noun, children. The meaning, a creature with 6 legs and a segmented body. Next, worm. It is also a noun, children. The meaning is an animal with a long, soft body without a backbone or limbs. Worm. An animal with a long, soft body without a backbone or limbs. Next word is pour. It is a verb, children. The meaning is flow or cause to flow. Pour. Flow or cause to flow. Next word is blossomed. It is a verb, children. Blossomed. Meaning is produced flowers. Blossomed. Produced flowers. Next word is tiny. It is an adjective and the meaning is very small. Tiny. Very small. Next word, at once. At once. It is an adverb phrase, children, which means immediately. At once. Immediately. Next is raised. It is a verb, children. The meaning is lifted or moved upwards or into an upright position. Raised, lifted or moved upwards or into an upright position. Next one, pretty. It is an adjective, children. Attractive, the meaning is attractive in a delicate way. Attractive in a delicate way. Next word is weeping. It is a verb, children, which means crying. And the last word is display. It is a noun, children, which means show. Show. Now, next is comprehension. Answer the following questions, children. Listen attentively. First question. Why did Lalita pull the weeds around her tomato plants? Why did Lalita pull the weeds around her tomato plants? And the answer is Lalita pulled the weeds. Weeds means unwanted plants around her tomato plants so that her tomato plants would grow in a healthy and natural way. Next question. Why do plants need more water in summer? Why do plants need more water in summer? Plants need more water in summer because water from plants evaporates very quickly. Why? Due to severe heat. Plants need more water in summer because water from plants evaporates very quickly due to severe heat. Next question, third question. How did Lalita and Kavita want to surprise their parents? And the answer is Lalita and Kavita decided to display their large beautiful tomato in the district exhibition, expecting the first prize. They wanted to pick the tomato after their father, mother, and brother had gone to the exhibition. Thus, they wanted to surprise their parents by winning the first prize. Next question. Why couldn't Lalita and Kavita believe their eyes? Lalita and Kavita could not believe their eyes because they found their large beautiful tomato among the other tomatoes in the exhibition hall. Next question. Why did Lalita suggest the name The Big Surprise for her big tomato? And the answer is Lalita and Kavita wanted to surprise their father by winning the first prize. They were surprised to see their tomato in the exhibition. Their father too wanted to surprise them, and so he brought the tomato to the exhibition. Thus, the tomato became a big surprise for them. And so, Lalita suggested the name, the big surprise, for her big tomato. And the last question is, what food items can we prepare with tomatoes? List them. We can prepare tomato soup, tomato pickle, tomato rice, tomato sauce, tomato puree, dal in tomato with tomato dal. Next, pick out the main actions of the story. The first action and the last action are given below. Write the actions in the space provided. So children, let's get started picking the main actions of the story. The main actions of the story is, first one, they already gave. Lalita sowed tomato seeds in the kitchen garden. Second one, the seeds grew into little plants after a few days. Third one, Lalita planted them in the middle of the garden. Fourth one, only one tomato plant grew well. Fifth one, Lalita and Kavita watered the plants daily. Sixth one, a very large, beautiful tomato grew in the plant. Seventh one, Lalita and Kavita wanted to display their tomato in the district exhibition. Eighth one, they wanted to surprise their parents and brother. Ninth one, they went to the garden to pick the tomato, but were shocked to find it missing. 10th one, they were very sad. Lalita wept bitterly. 11th one, they were surprised to see their tomato in the exhibition. It was brought to the exhibition by their father, who wanted to surprise them. The judges declared the first prize for their tomato. And the last one, 14th one, is already given, children. What is it? Lalita received her blue ribbon from the judge. Children, if the place is not sufficient to write this bit in the textbook, then write this bit in your English classwork. Next, vocabulary. Children, listen. There are 5 names each of fruits and vegetables in the word maze given below. Find and circle their names. One is done for you. Children, the names of 5 fruits and 5 vegetables are hidden in this puzzle. Find them. Let's see, children. What are they? Vegetables, beans, potato, tomato, brinjal, and radish. Then fruits, apple, mango, orange, banana, and guava. Children, circle them in the puzzle. Do this bit in the textbook only, children. Children, listen here, remember. Fruits and vegetables contain a lot of vitamins. They also contain fiber. So children, if you want to protect yourselves from diseases, if you want to be healthy, start eating all the fruits and vegetables. Next, Lalita saw some pulses and vegetables at the exhibition. The names of some pulses end with gram. and the name of vegetables end with God. Write them under the correct heading. Let's read all the words given, children. Green, bitter, Bengal, angular, red, horse, snake, black, and bottle. Children, let's start sorting. Green, gram or God? Green. It is a green gram. It is green gram. Next, bitter. Gram or God? It is bitter God. Bitter God. Bengal. Gram or God? It is Bengal gram. Bengal gram. Next, angular. Gram or God? It is angular God. Angular God. Red. Gram or God? It is red gram. Red gram. Next one, horse. Gram or God? It is horse gram. Snake. Gram or God? It is snake guard. Snake guard. Black. Gram or God? It is black gram. Black gram. Bottle. Bottle gram or God? It is bottle guard. It is bottle guard. Next, children, look at the pictures of pulses that we wrote in the box. Read the names, children. Come on, repeat after me. Green gram, green gram, Bengal gram, Bengal gram, red gram, red gram, horse gram, horse gram, and black gram, black gram. Now, look at the pictures of gods that we wrote. Read the names of all gods shown. First one, bitter God. Children, repeat after me. Bitter God, bitter God, angular God, angular God, snake God, snake God, bottle God, bottle God. Children, with this, when we end our today's class, remember, children, stay humble, work hard, and be kind to everyone. Thank you.